You want a personal dashboard that's easy to install and can be installed in 2-3 minutes and is easy to set up, then Heimdall is for you. Okay. We're gonna use the simplest method to install, and that is the Portainer. So we don't need to type the commands for the Docker installation. Okay, add new container. We give container our name, Heimdall. Okay, new, because I have it already installed. And we're gonna find the Docker that we need, the image. We're gonna search here. It is already suggested for me because I downloaded it earlier. Else we're gonna search for it, and we just type Heimdall, search, and now it opens, and we can select it. The right image is Linux server Heimdall. We see a lot of installations. That is the image updated 2 days ago. This is one of the simplest homepage, very good to organizing our home lab, because the links are getting more and more, the containers, the VMs, and of course we can add a lot of shortcuts. We paste the image here, okay, and we proceed. Easy way to install it is this switch here, so we don't have to pick the ports inside the Portainer, inside the Docker and outside. If we switch it on, it gives us just random ports, and that's it. Here we have a lot of options. We don't need to make any more customizations here. If we want, we can change the restart policy, so it never restarts, or always, or on failure it restarts automatically. We deploy, and it was already downloaded, so the deployment is already. We see the ports here, the 443 and the 80. These are inside the Docker. So the outside Docker are the port that we see before, 32773. This is the port that we're going to use. This external port gets inside the Docker and connects it with the port 443. This is what it's doing. Okay, so we open here the IP address and the port that we saw before. Okay, we proceed here. It's because we don't have the certificate and SSL, so no problem. This is how it starts. You have here background. We can change the background, of course. You can customize it, and you would see that you get very fast. You learn very, very fast. It's very simple. Okay, we can just add some examples, so you're gonna see it. It has a lot of applications already installed here. We're gonna pick Portainer. Okay, let's not fix this. Portainer, okay, it has already an icon for Portainer. We can pick the color. We can change the icon, of course, to something else. We can copy the link of our Portainer and see. Yeah, okay. We can write a description if we want. That's for us, because we get the link and we can connect after that. You see, it's open it already. It's the first shortcut is ready for us, and we can keep adding all our home lab, so we are organized. And we can have this as start page. We can add users. We can add the username and password, so nobody else can open our homepage, or we can add more users with different pages, so it can be used for more. The tags are very important. Here, for example, a tag AI, we pick the color, and here we can, this is like a folder and we can add more shortcuts in that. So that's all very good organized. Okay, for example, our VMs here, a different color, so we can see them. We can change the icon, of course. Here we have some settings, the background, we can choose one. And some more, the language. A homepage search, we can put the search engine, so if it's our start page, we can have Google and all our shortcuts down of that. And we can change the order and do it exactly how it fits better for us. Okay, I will add here grok as an example. We have these icons here that we can select. Application name, the color, okay. And I pick Home Dashboard. If I pick Home Dashboard, it will be in this dashboard at the start. And ready. Here we have our shortcut for grok. Okay. Here we can edit. We can add more tags to one or change it. We can send it to AI, so it goes away from the home and is inside AI. You see, it's very, very easy. There are a lot more of dashboards. This is one of the very fastest and very easy to use. If you want more complex, there are a lot other options that can be more customized. This is my dashboard, so you take a look. For example, you can have multiple tags. I can have Gwen on the AI folder and on the home dashboard, and you can connect all the important stuff that you have. Here, firewall, all learning stuff. I'm always adding here something that I'm currently learning. Notebook LLM, NNN, Google AI Devs, and AI skills. With Synology or a Home Assistant. You can, everything that you use constantly. So you don't have to remember IPs and can connect them very fast from here. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more interesting stuff that makes our life easier.